using the class summary in S4S. In order to get to the class summary, we need to go under Student Dashboard. Click there and you'll see the words Dashboard and Class Summary. Please click on Class Summary. Once you've done that, it will prompt you to select your school. You may now go ahead and select your school from the list. There we are. And then you can select a grade, and click the word Find. You can also select a teacher if there's a student that's with a specific teacher, or you can select a particular class as well at the top and click the word Find. Once your students pop up, you'll notice that under the ELL heading, if you see a green globe, that means that the student has an ESL program. A blue globe means that the student is on an ELD program. A black globe indicates a prior ELL, and a gray globe indicates a closed file. Clicking on the globe icon in the class summary produces a PDF of the student's current ELL ongoing step assessment.